Anurag Vahi, lovingly called as Guddu by everyone in the family, as he played the role of a loving and caring husband, father, son, brother, brother-in-law to perfection. A heartfelt thank you to everyone on behalf of the family for joining this prayer meeting today in his memory. Anurag was blessed to have an extraordinary and a large, beautiful family. They are all once again gathered here today to pay their respect. An extremely brilliant, dedicated to his work and duties, highly honest, Anurag was a huge role model and big support to his entire family. His values will be carried forward by his wife Parul and two loving daughters, Manya and Shreya. Anurag's mother, his three sisters, and one brother, along with their respective spouses, were rock-solid support through his journey of life. Anurag was equally loved by Parul's parents and her brother and sister-in-law. मन मंदिर का तू जियारा, नाम तेरा ही लागे प्यारा, जी चाहे यूं चरणों में तेरे अर्पण कर दूं, जीवन सारा। कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, हम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम्, अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं, रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्। रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम। कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं, हम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं। ओ अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं, रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्। कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं, बीर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, कौन कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं, माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं। माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। कृष्ण गोविंद गोपाल गाते चलो, कृष्ण गोविंद गोपाल गाते चलो, नाम जपते चलो काम करते चलो। ओ नाम जपते चलो काम करते चलो, याद आएगी उनको कभी ना कभी, याद आएगी उनको कभी ना कभी। प्रभु दर्शन तो देंगे कभी ना कभी। प्रभु दर्शन तो देंगे कभी ना कभी। अच्युतम केशवम कृष्ण दामोदरम राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। राम नारायणम जानकी वल्लभम। Now let's all join together to pray for his departed soul. तुम ही हमका ओ संभाले, तुम ही हमरे रखवाले, तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं। പാലനഹാരെ ദേഗുന്നൊർഞ്ഞാരെ ഓ പാലനഹാരെ ദേഗുന്നൊർഞ്ഞാരെ तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं हमरी उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन हमरी उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं तुम ही हम खा हो संभाले तुम ही हमरे रखवाले तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं चंदा चंदा में तुम ही तो दिए हो चांदनी सूरज में उजाला तुम्हीं से ये गगन मगन तुम ही तो दिए हो ये सितारे भगवन ये जीवन तुम ही न सवारोगे तो क्या कोई सवारे हमरी उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं ओ पालनहारे देगुन्नोर्न्यारे तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं तुमरे बिन हमरा जग के जो स्वामी हो इतनी तो अर्ज सुनो जग में हो अंधियारे दे दो वरदान में उजियारे हमरी उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं ओ पालनहारे देगुन्नोर्न्यारे तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं तुमरे बिन हमरा तुमरे बिन हमरा बिन हमरा कौन नहीं श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। तुमसे है धरती तुमसे है अंबर, तुमसे है धरती तुमसे है अंबर। अग्नि पवन और सातों समंदर है नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। ठाकुर हमारे प्राणों से प्यारे, ठाकुर हमारे प्राणों से प्यारे। तुम हो हमारे हम हैं तुम्हारे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। कहते हैं जब भी हम ये शरीर रूपी जीवन छोड़ के आगे बढ़ते हैं तो सबसे पहले इस अद्भुत जगह के दर्शन होते हैं। इस जगह जिसके बारे में हम कैलाश मानसरोवर के नाम से जानते हैं। शिव कैलाशों के वासी, धौली धारों के राजा, शंकर संकट हरना, शंकर संकट हरना। शिव कैलाशों के वासी, धौली धारों के राजा, शंकर संकट हरना, शंकर संकट हरना। तेरे कैलाशों का अंत न पाया, तेरे कैलाशों का, तेरे कैलाशों का अंत न पाया, अंत बेअंत तेरी माया। ओ भोले बाबा अंत बेअंत तेरी माया। ओ शंकर संकट हरना, ओ शंकर संकट हरना। देवों के देव महादेव तुम हो, देवों के देव, देवों के देव महादेव तुम हो। संत खड़े तेरी शरणा, ओ भोले बाबा संत खड़े तेरी शरणा। ओ शंकर संकट हरना, शंकर संकट हरना। शिव कैलाशों के वासी, धौली धारों के राजा, शंकर संकट हरना, शंकर संकट हरना, शंकर संकट हरना। Well, now we'll hear a few words by close friends and his IIT batchmates. I'd like to invite Mr. Sudhir first.
I had the good fortune and privilege to have been Anurag's hostel mate and friend during our engineering course at IIT Bombay. In fact, Anurag was staying in the same hostel wing as me in Hostel 4. And for over a year, we shared adjacent rooms with only a small partition separating our privacy. During those years in our hostel and our course, we all went through lots of emotional ups and downs that brought us very close as friends. And I was very lucky to have known and discovered one of the most gentle, calm, and caring human being that was Anurag Wahi. I would like to share a few of my personal memories of Anurag as a person. And these are memories that made a profound impression on my mind and even today are etched in my memory. Anurag was a huge music lover. He enjoyed and always relished listening to music, both Hindi and English, whenever he could in the hostel. There was one quality that, in my mind, really stood out about Anurag in this aspect. And it was that within one or two listenings of any song, he had the ability to remember and sing the entire lyrics of the song end to end without any gaps or mistakes. It used to amaze me to no end as to how he did it. I used to think, अरे मैं तो 5 बार सुनने के बाद भी सिर्फ धुन गुनगुना पाता हूँ और वाही तो पूरा लिरिक्स याद करके परफेक्टली गा पाता है, कैसे करता है? In fact, he kept up this passion right through his life. And even when we met Anurag during our alumni reunion in December 2019, in one of our group gatherings where we were all singing together, he was one of the only guys who was singing the entire lyrics of almost every song that the group was singing. And the range of songs that he could do that for was mind boggling. We were all struck by the fact that he sang each song with the same passion and joy as he used to sing during our hostel days. It was really an amazing treat for all of us to watch him in action. Another fantastic attribute of Anurag as a human being was his calm and composed nature and personality. Till today, neither I nor any of his close friends have ever seen him lose his cool or display any sort of anger in any visible way. Even in the most aggravated situations, he would always stay calm, never display his inner emotion, and he would always put his points across in a very rational and calm manner. This was another of his amazing and endearing qualities that touched everyone's heart, and he served as a role model to me and many others on the need to be gentlemanly and kind. Lastly, on my personal note on Anurag, he was also someone who deeply loved and cared about his entire family. I had the opportunity to have many, many conversations with Anurag on many aspects of life. And one thing that always stood out was how much he thought about his family every day and how attached he was to every one of them. I remember him narrating stories of his childhood and school days. In almost every one of them, he would speak fondly and lovingly about everyone, whether it was his sisters or his brother Vineet or his parents. I was always struck by how he loved everyone. At that point in time, he had not yet met Parul, but I'm 100% sure that he was a very loving husband and an equally loving father to Manya and Shreya. He was not only a brilliant computer science engineer, but also a true family man right from the very beginning and a wonderful, wonderful human being. Anurag was one of those rare men who truly embodied many rare qualities, all combined into one human being. Thank you, Anurag, for all the wonderful memories and our wonderful friendship. I will truly cherish all our memories deep within my heart throughout my life. We will all sorely, sorely miss you. I'd like to hand this over to Sriram Raghavendra.
Thank you. It's hard to believe Anurag has left us and moved to the heavenly abode. He was one of the kindest, most lovable, and brightest persons I've had the good fortune to have had a friend since my high school days at National Public School. He was really the brightest person in our class in high school, gifted and just naturally brilliant, along with a very quirky sense of humor. He was always, very humble and ever willing to help anyone. I remember during our high school days, his mother would send the most delicious parathas. And during lunch in high school, we would lunch would quickly disappear, especially the popular items. And Anurag would just freely share his parathas with everybody. And the box would be empty, and he would be like, yes, no hesitation from his part. He was just natural, always willing to share. His sense of humor was also always a treat for us. It was very quirky and a very sharp sense of humor with his underlying intelligence and creativity would just come forward. Some of us from high school remember him singing the song Nanna Munna Wahi Hu, Desh Ka Sipahi Hu. So all these songs, he seemed to know them in and out, and he would just play with them on the fly. He was just brilliant. And in IIT too, when we fortune of from high school, during high school we would prep for IIT together, and he was just always this cool, calm, sharp mind, and I have fond memories of him at his home in High Point Towers in Bangalore, where I got to know his family a little bit as well. And we would often ride back together from school. And in IIT too, his natural brilliance and cool, sharp, and even mind always made even the most difficult things look simple. And his warmth always shone through. And during the first year, I remember many of us used to admire his logical and cool mind, even in the toughest and most challenging situations. His warmth, smile, and love will always cheer and inspire us. I've been really blessed to have known him as a dear friend, including last year when he was sharing with us about his family. Family meant a lot to Anurag, and he always talked very fondly of his sisters, brothers, and his children last year when I had the opportunity to connect with him. May God's grace be always with him and his family. And I know his warmth, love, and smile will always cheer and inspire us. My prayers for a peaceful and blissful transition for him. Om Shanti. I'd like to now invite Badri Gopalan from our IT batch to share a few words.
Thank you, Sri Ram. To Parul, Manya, Shreya, Anurag's parents, family. Let us take this moment to celebrate Anurag's life. I'm sure it'll be of no surprise to you, but Anurag touched our lives very deeply and in a very unique way. He was a gem of a person, so calm, so friendly, and always smiling. And that is a memory that has stayed with everyone. Even after all these years, when anybody asks about Anurag Wahi, the first recollection of him is the most peaceful and calm person in our hostel, and as someone who was always smiling. If I may recollect a couple of incidents, in the first semester, I remember Anurag's performance in physics. It used to be a notoriously difficult subject for most of us freshies. And the average score for our first mid-semester test used to be in the low single digits. And if my memory serves me right, Anurag was one of the few people who did really well in that test as well as other tests. And he did all of this without breaking a sweat, always peaceful, calm, and smiling. More than learning physics, we ended up becoming great friends over the years. And he was also one of the very few hostel mates who got to change the branch to computer science, which is also a very hard thing to do. Another incident, fast forward to 1994, which was a final year, even though it feels like yesterday. Anurag and a few friends used to compete with each other as to who would complete the Times crossword the first thing in the morning. This was in our 8th semester, so we were totally jobless and carefree. Literally every day we would get started immediately after waking up, each of us holding a copy of Times of India with a pencil. And over the last few days, I can feel I still remember Anurag's voice asking me if I had gotten a specific anagram or trying to discuss a clue. Like so many deep friendships formed during those years, those bonds run deep. We did manage to meet Anurag at a reunion in December 2019, and we were able to continue from where we left off. Especially to Manya and Shreya. We know you are both at a very young age to come to terms with a loss like this. While this virus might have managed to take Anurag from us, there are two things that this virus cannot do. Because of your father's personality and nature, he has left behind an army of great friends, more than a dozen friends in Hostel 4 at IIT Bombay, and more of them in his department. And we are all committed to being there for you, not just today and in the coming weeks and months, but even in the future as you navigate through your life journey. Please feel free to reach out to us through your mother. We are there for you. Also, Anurag will be forever in your hearts and minds. I'm reminded of the song in Lion King when Simba is grieving for the loss of his father Mufasa. The words that come to mind are, "He lives in you, and no virus can take that away. He will be there guiding you and speaking to you as you think about making the important decisions. He'll be solving the puzzles of your life just like he could solve those Times crossword puzzles 25 years ago." So long, our dear friend. Goodbye. Thank you for all the memories and see you on the other side. Now I'd like to pass it on to Mr. Seshadri.
Yeah, thanks, Badri. My name is Seshadri. I hope you can hear me. This news has been pretty hard to come to terms with, and I'm kind of just about holding it together. I knew Anurag from work. I am his ex-colleague since 1999 or 98 at Intera. So we used to work together at this company called Intera, and he had moved from TCS Bombay to Intera, and I was his colleague there, and colleague and drinking buddy, and pretty close friends. And later on, we worked at this company called River Run as well. So about from 1999 to 2003, those bachelor days are very young days. That was a time when you formed very close and very deep friendships. And later on, I realized that, oh, actually our past actually extends even more. So I also studied at National Public School from 85 to 89. So it looked like, he was about 1 or 2 years my senior there. And I can see there's one more gentleman on this call who's also from NPS. And so it's nice to know that, these common bonds are there. And my earliest and happiest memories of Anurag was, we used to go. So PVR Saket was the only movie theater at that time. And then it used to be quite a difficult thing to try and get a ticket. So one of us would go really early, stand in the line, and then get a bunch of tickets for our friends. And I watched a few movies there. And then this theater called Shakuntalam opened in Pragati Maidan, and we would go and hang out there. And, those were such carefree, happy days. And I really loved to hang out with him. And, I continue to stay in touch with him, although, so he moved to Adobe, I went to Gurgaon. So every year, at least once or twice a year, I would, call him up and meet him. And I've been to his Vasundhara Enclave's house. I've met his brother. I met his wife and children, right? And and he was a very close and dear friend with whom I used to, meet and talk quite often, right? I want to just share some of the things, which show what kind of a person he was. And I want to reiterate that the same thing what other friends are saying. He was very highly organized and planned in everything that he did, right? Even if he was going to have breakfast, it has to be a very planned affair. And I can see where that planning comes from. Even this very Zoom meeting is so well organized and well planned. So I think his whole family is like that, right? And he used to be very careful about everything he did, right? Not to take any pangas with the law example. For example, in the early 2000s, there was some notification that he got that he is using an unlicensed version of Windows. So most of it would laugh it away. But this gentleman, he goes to Nehru Place, he purchased a licensed copy of Windows so that, if any Ghaziabad policeman are to come to his house, he's got a licensed copy. So that's the kind of person he was, like, just be very planned, methodical, right? And and he's a very unsentimental kind of guy, right? So the last thing that he would want us to do is cry, etc. And very cool and calm and collected, right? So not get very angry or very emotional, etc. Right? So even when his father passed away, I met him sometime after that. So he was very philosophical about it, and he talked to me about it in a matter-of-fact way. You will not see him in a very highly emotional state ever. A very cool and calm and collected person. And he was extremely work and family oriented. So if I had to go meet him, so I'd have to give him 2 weeks advance notice. Hey, I'm coming over to Noida, can we meet? So first he would say, okay, let me check my calendar first. So, oh no, I've got a dentist appointment for my father. I have to go here. Oh, I have to take my wife here. There is this function, etc., etc. So, and right now, okay, I can make some slot available for you at this time, and you will eventually, right? So he was extremely family oriented, and work, of course, was very, very important to him. He would treat his work very seriously. He did very well in his career, right? And it's with a sense of irony that I want to tell you that I have actually been working this weekend for some nonsense. I've not worked in the weekend for the last 10 years, but this weekend I had to do some work. And if Anurag were to know this, he would be highly appreciative of me. That yes, my friend who's come to my prayer meeting is working on a weekend, right? So, and my thoughts are mirroring with what all of us are sharing, that a very cool, calm, and composed person, very honest, right? He's not so I mean, living in Delhi, it was amazing to see that here is a gentleman who would not be so influenced by all the corruption around, right? He's very honest, very forthright, right? Amazing guy. And one thing I definitely want to do is to be in touch with his family, right? I have the fortune of being in the same city as he, and I definitely want to be around his kids' lives as they grow up. They know that, yeah, this guy is my father's friend who pops in about once a year at least, right? So I don't want to forget him. And the only way that I can do that is by being in touch with his family, with his wife and kids. That is something I would definitely like to do. Me, and I will pass over the baton to Mr. Bikram. Thanks.
Hello, everyone. And my name is Bikram Kapoor. I was Anurag Vahi's, and we used to call him Vahi, as a batchmate and hostel mate in Hostel 4 IIT Bombay. When I heard the news, I was very shocked. And then, that got me thinking, and I just wanted to share a different perspective with the family. I heard from his roommate of 3 years that he loved music. And one particular song he played 10 times a day. So I tried to create something you as a family can hold together, and we as friends can hold together to keep him immortal. I enjoyed putting this together. I know wherever he is, he will enjoy listening to it. And I hope his kids especially hold on to this as a tribute to him from his IIT Bombay batchmates. So I'm going to share my screen and a video.
Strawberries, cherries, and an angel's kiss in spring. My summer wine is really made from all these things.
I walked in town on silver spurs that jingle too, a song that I had only sang to just a few. She saw my silver spurs and said, let's pass some time, and I will give to you summer wine. Oh, summer wine.
Strawberries, cherries, and an angel's kiss in spring. My summer wine is really made from all these things. Take off your silver spurs and help me pass the time, and I will give to you summer wine. Oh, summer wine.
My eyes grew heavy and my lips, they could not speak. I tried to get up, but I couldn't find my feet. She reassured me with an unfamiliar line, and then she gave to me more summer wine. Oh, summer wine.
Strawberries, cherries, and an angel's kiss in spring. My summer wine is really made from all these things. Take off your silver spurs and help me pass the time, and I will give to you summer wine, summer wine.
When I woke up, the sun was shining in my eyes. My silver spurs were gone, my head felt twice its size. She took my silver spurs, $1 and a dime, and left me craving for more summer wine. Oh, summer wine.
Strawberries, cherries, and an angel's kiss in spring. My summer wine is really made from all these things. Take off those silver spurs and help me pass the time, and I will give to you my summer wine. Oh, summer wine.
There's one song he used to really like listening to and he used to sing also. फूलों के रंग से दिल की कलम से तुझको लिखी रोज पाती, कैसे बताऊं किस किस तरह से पल पल मुझे तू सताती। तेरे ही सपने लेकर के सोया, तेरी ही यादों में जागा, तेरे ख्यालों में उलझा रहा मैं, जैसे कि माला में धागा। बादल, बिजली, चंदन, पानी जैसा अपना प्यार लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार। इतना मधुर तेरा मेरा प्यार लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार। सांसों की सरगम, धड़कन की बीना, सपनों की गीतांजलि तू। मन की गली में महके जो हरदम, ऐसी जूही की कली तू। छोटा सफर हो, लंबा सफर हो, सूनी डगर हो या मेला, या तो आए मन हो जाए भीड़ के बीच अकेला। बादल, बिजली, चंदन, पानी जैसा अपना प्यार लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार। पूरब हो पश्चिम, उत्तर हो दक्षिण, तू हर जगह मुस्कुराए। जितना भी जाऊं मैं दूर तुझसे, जितनी ही तू पास आए, आंधी ने रोका, पानी ने टोका, दुनिया ने हंस के पुकारा, तस्वीर तेरी लेकिन लिए मैं कर आया सबसे किनारा। बादल बिजली चंदन पानी जैसा अपना प्यार लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार। इतना मधुर तेरा मेरा प्यार लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार, ओ कई कई बार, कई कई बार। So this next bhajan is a very beautiful mantra. It's called Mahamantra. जब भी कभी इस तरह मुश्किल घड़ी आती है, सब साथ में मिलकर इसको चैंट करते हैं. Can all pray together. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare. I was also told that he was an ardent Sai follower. This next bhajan is about surrender. It's about whenever you need him, he's always there with us. जिसने तेरा नाम लिया है, जिसने तेरा नाम लिया, तू हो लिया उसके साथ। साईनाथ तेरे हजारों हाथ, साईनाथ तेरे हजारों हाथ। साईनाथ तेरे हजारों हाथ, साईनाथ तेरे हजारों हाथ। जिसने तेरा नाम लिया है, जिसने तेरा नाम लिया, तू हो लिया उसके साथ। साईनाथ तेरे हजारों हाथ, साईनाथ तेरे हजारों हाथ। इत देखूं तो तू लागे कन्हैया, उत देखूं तो दुर्गा मैया। नानक की मुस्कान है मुख पर, शान मोहम्मद भी है मुख पर। साईनाथ 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 तेरे हजारों हाथ, साईनाथ तेरे हजारों हाथ। साईनाथ तेरे हजारों हाथ, साईनाथ तेरे हजारों हाथ। राम नाम की है तू माला, राम नाम की है तू माला। गौतम वाला तुझ में उछाला, राम नाम की है तू माला। गौतम वाला तुझ में उछाला। नीम तेरे की मीठी छाया, बदले हर चोले की काया, बदले हर चोले की काया। साईनाथ 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 तेरे हजारों हाथ, साईनाथ तेरे हजारों हाथ। साईनाथ तेरे हजारों हाथ, साईनाथ तेरे हजारों इस अगले भजन में ईश्वर से कह रहे हैं, जिस तरह इस जीवन में इतना आशीर्वाद दिया, अपना सर पे हमारे हाथ बनाए रखा, ऐसे ही आगे भी आने वाले जन्मों में अपना हाथ, अपनी कृपा हमारे सर पे बनाए रखें। मेरे सर पे रख दो प्रभु जी अपने ये दोनों हाथ, देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ। मेरे सर पे रख दो प्रभु जी अपने ये दोनों हाथ, देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ। देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ। सुना है हमने शरणागत को अपने गले लगाते हो, सुना है हमने शरणागत को अपने गले लगाते हो। ऐसा हमने क्या मांगा जो दिन से घबराते हो। चाहे सुख में हो या दुख में, चाहे सुख में हो या दुख में, बस थामे रखना हाथ। देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ। अब तो कृपा कर दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ। सुलग रहे हैं गम की धूप में, प्यार की छाया कर दो तुम। सुलग रहे हैं गम की धूप में, प्यार की छाया कर दो तुम। बिन माझी के नाव चले ना, अब पटवार पकड़ लो तुम। मेरा रास्ता रोशन कर दो, मेरा रास्ता रोशन कर दो। छाई अंधियारी रात, देना हो तो दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ। अब तो कृपा कर दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ। देना हो तो दीजिए, देना हो तो दीजिए, अब तो कृपा कर दीजिए जन्म जन्म का साथ।
नमस्ते। पहले तो मैं शुक्रिया देना चाहूँगा अंकित जी का और सारे मेरे भाई अनुराग के दोस्त नेशनल पब्लिक स्कूल और आईआईटी से, तो उन सबका शुक्रिया इतने काइंड वर्ड्स बोलने के लिए। तो अनुराग, और घर का नाम उसका गुड्डू था। गुड्डू मेरे से 2.5 साल बड़ा था। मैं घर में सबसे छोटा हूँ। उसके बाद मेरी 3 बहनें हैं। तो मैं तो उसके बचपन की ही बातें करूंगा। तो हम लोग एक ही रूम शेयर करते थे। तो हम लोग कई बार रात में जब सोने जाते थे तो पहले एक दूसरे से बातें करते थे, फिर ही सोते थे। हम दोनों की ये भी हैबिट थी, हम लोग को ऑल इंडिया रेडियो लगा के ऑडियो कैसेट लगा के गाने रिकॉर्ड करा करते थे, और पूरा पूरा कैसेट को रिकॉर्ड करते थे वहां से। जैसे मतलब सारे भाई होते हैं, हम लोग झगड़ते भी थे। तो ऐसा बहुत होता था, वो मुझे छेड़ के जाता था और फिर मैं सारे घर में भागता था और कहता था मम्मी इसको रोको, मुझे एक बार मारने दो। हम लोग बचपन में डाइनिंग टेबल पे टेबल टेनिस खेलते थे। हम लोग के बीच में एक बैट लगाते थे और टेबल टेनिस खेलते थे। तो मुझे एक चीज का गर्व है कि मैं उससे टेबल टेनिस में बेहतर था। फिर हम लोग वो मेरे को पढ़ाई में बहुत हेल्प करता था। सारी कोई डाउट्स हो तो मुझे समझाता था। उसको समझाने का ढंग ये था कि ल- एक चीज जो 5 मिनट में समझ सकते हैं वो 10 मिनट में समझाता था। पर वो उसने मुझे पढ़ाई में बहुत मदद करी है। हम लोग रात को 2-2 बजे उठ के एग्जाम की पढ़ाई करा करते थे साथ साथ। तो हम लोग एक ही स्कूल में रहे जब तक मैं 7th में था। फिर वो नेशनल पब्लिक स्कूल में चला गया 11th-12th करने के लिए। आ, उसके बाद उसने एग्जाम दिया आरईसी का और आईआईटी का। तब मेरी बहन की, सबसे बड़ी बहन की शादी थी, तो दिल्ली में। तो उसने शादी भी नहीं अटेंड करी क्योंकि उसको इम्पोर्टेंट था अपना एग्जाम देना, क्योंकि वो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट टाइम था उसके करियर का। तो आरईसी में उसकी 15th रैंक आई थी, आईआईटी में 238 रैंक आई थी। फिर वो पहली बार मैं जब रोया, जब वो उसको मुंबई जाना था, मैंने उसके लिए लेटर भी लिखा था। फिर वो गया आईआईटी। आईआईटी में 4 साल उसने अपनी इंजीनियरिंग करी। फिर टीसीएस ज्वाइन करी, वहां पर शायद 3 साल मुंबई में रहा। फिर वो वापस दिल्ली आ गया, हमारे घर वापस वसुंधरा एन्क्लेव में दिल्ली में। तो फिर से तब मेरा करियर इतना ठीक नहीं चल रहा था, तो उसने, उसकी हेल्प से मैं रिवर रन ज्वाइन करी, और अभी मैं जो भी कुछ भी हूँ उसकी वजह से हूँ। हम सारी अपनी करियर की बातें एक दूसरे से शेयर करते थे और एक दूसरे को बताते थे अपनी मतलब सेलिब्रेशन वाली चीजें या तकलीफें सब शेयर करते थे। तो अभी भी हम लोग ऐसे ही शेयर कर रहे थे कि जब हम लोग 60 साल के होंगे तब हमारी बेटियां छोटी ही होंगी, तो हमें 60 साल के बाद भी कोई नौकरी वोकरी करनी पड़ेगी। तो ऐसे ही में हम लोग ऐसे ही लास्ट पिछले महीने ही ऐसे ही जिक्र कर रहे थे। जब वो बीमार हुआ, मुझे मुझे पक्का था वो ठीक हो जाएगा। मुझे पक्का था कि वो ठीक हो जाएगा, कोई शक ही नहीं था मुझे। पर सब कुछ ट्राई करा पर he did not survive. हम सब उसकी मम्मी, हमारी मम्मी, हमारी बहनें, भाभी, मानिया, श्रेया, सब उसको बहुत मिस करते हैं और हमेशा याद रखेंगे। ठीक ठीक है, ओवर टू यू नकुल।
Thank you. Thank you everyone for being here. I'm really not sure if I have enough words to describe him. I think he was the most intellectual person, most humble human being, most honest individual I have ever met in last 20 years. You know, The one thing I always cherish about him is that he would never, never impose himself on others. He would always respect others' views, even though they were contradictory to his. He would always respect the person in front of him. He was very rational. And as someone said, he used to take care of himself and his family so much. मतलब रोड क्रॉस करने से लेकर ड्राइव कितनी स्पीड में करना है, he was so careful. He would help everyone without even expecting anything in return. He would just help everyone. तो मुझे याद है रिकी भैया बहुत मजाक उड़ाते थे उनकी पढ़ाई को लेकर कि ये 8th क्लास में भी 10th क्लास की क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करता है. And he would simply say कि वो तो पागल है, ऐसी बातें नहीं है, मैं कोई इतना समझदार नहीं हूँ, इतना इंटेलिजेंट नहीं हूँ. He never had any air for himself. The most difficult thing is that I am that unluckiest person to see him go away right in front of my eyes, and I just couldn't do anything. Someone who would take care of himself so much was in so much pain in his last few days. Unbearable pain. I'm not sure if God was right in doing it. हॉस्पिटल में दीदी से ज्यादा मेरे से बात करते थे. जो भी डॉक्टर से पूछना होता था मेरे को बोलते थे पूछने के लिए. जो भी डॉक्टर बोल के जाता था मेरे से बोलते थे कि क्या बोला. मेरे से कितने बड़े थे पर जिद करते थे तो मेरी डांट सुन लेते थे कि खाना है हॉस्पिटल में. Unfortunately, it will remain my biggest regret that I just couldn't do anything and he just went away in front of my eyes. I just wish and I just pray that wherever he is, he's at peace with himself and he will continue to guide us like he has done so many years. May God help the wonderful soul keep in peace. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Over to you, Ricky.
It's a very difficult time. We lost a brilliant and an intellectual mind who's also a responsible son, a very dear husband, extremely doting father, a very loving brother, and a caring and helpful friend and guide to most of us, including me. I remember the times, we spent in childhood, those, glorious, Garmi ki chuttiyan at Shakti Nagar, playing outdoors, reading comics. And to be honest, I used to read comics more, and Guddu, who used to read double the comics that, I used to read, also used to read the books 2 standards higher than I was in, that he was in. I mean, we were almost of the same age. Everybody spoke about his brilliance, intelligence, and I would concur to that. I remember the time that, when he used to explain the mathematical problems with ease, and not only for the same class that he was in, but the classes higher, and he was so committed to studies that he chose, and Rinku ne bola, he chose not to attend his first marriage in the family, Arnadi's marriage in the family, and, to prepare for his IIT exams. And Guddu really transformed himself, from an academically bright and extremely playful boy, thought naughty bhi tha, to an extremely responsible, methodical, rational, calm, and erudite individual with a fantastic sense of humor. I still remember the time when I reached out to him for help, and my chacha, his mama, I was not there for his last rites, and he did the needful, always helping, everybody. I will miss him. Archana Didi, over to you.
Words fail me today. I might be repeating what everyone has already mentioned. So Anurag, or Guddu as we called him, he was indeed a very pure and noble soul. A heart of gold, I will say, very, very gentle. And he has the smile, the ever smiling face is what I remember. And he was not at all in sync with the today's word, sticking to his own values of life, just like a lotus flower blooming in a muddy pond, pure and sparkling clean. That's what he was. And not one to speak ill for anyone and or cause anyone any harm. And just as in our Buddhism, we will say that he was a Buddha in life and a Buddha in death. And may God bless his soul and eternally live in our hearts. Over to you, Archana.
My brother Guddu, he was a rare gem, always around to help everyone. He was a great son to our parents, a loving husband and the best father and uncle. As a brother, we always had his support and he did all his duties towards the entire family. He had, as mentioned by everyone, from his IIT mates, from his schoolmates, from his friends, and from the family, a most notorious, mischievous sense of humor. All the young children in the family, they just loved him. They all suffered from BB Guddu attacks from him and heard his unending stories. These things will be missed terribly. He was gifted with a brilliant mind, a highly, highly intelligent person. Kids even once tested him with an encyclopedia, Rashi and Trisha, and he passed with flying colors. He even taught me maths. I was in 12th, he was in 7th or something. He helped me with my maths. Like they say, I think God broke the mold after he creating Guddu, and he loved his creation so much that he took him back away from us so soon. A few words that I would like to say to Guddu now to summarize. Guddu, your actions were always kind, a generous hand and an active mind, anxious to please and loath to offend, a loving brother and a faithful friend. We will all miss you very, very, very much. Now, I would like to thank everyone. Now to conclude this meeting, first of all, I would like to thank Ankit ji. He's already, I think Rinku also thanked him that time. From the family, we would like to thank all of Anurag's close friends, his schoolmates, his IIT batchmates, his ex and present colleagues from TCS, Intra, Riverrun, Adobe, and Microsoft. And I would like to thank our entire circle of family and friends. Thank you all for your concern, support, and your kind words. This meeting has been an emotional journey, and all your presence here today has given Anurag's young family, Parul, Manya, and Shreya, Mummy, and all of us a lot of strength to see these difficult times through. We thank you all from the bottom of our heart. Thank you. Stay connected.